Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try stars. You'll need colors. Trace the star to make a cookie. Decorate the cookie. I'm going to use a brown marker to trace the star. Uh-oh, this marker is running out. I'm going to use a darker brown marker instead. Now we trace the star, and it's time to decorate it like a cookie. I'm going to put sprinkles on my star cookie. Here's a pink sprinkle here, and here, and here, and here, and all over. And then I'm going to add in some yellow sprinkles. All over. Last, I'm going to add some blue sprinkles everywhere too. Now our star cookie is covered in sprinkles. Trace the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use a green marker to trace the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're all done tracing the stars. Count and color the sea stars. Wow, look at their smiling faces. First, let's count the sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sea stars. Now let's color them. I'm going to use a red-orange crayon. Now I'm going to use a green crayon. Now I'm going to use a cerulean crayon. Now I'm going to use a yellow crayon. Now I'm going to use a violet purple crayon. Last, I'm going to use, can you guess what color? A red violet crayon. All right, how many sea stars did you color? Let's count them and write the number in a black marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We colored 6 different sea stars. Now we're all done working on stars. Thank you so much. It was so much fun doing this activity together. Join me next time for hearts.